Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. This is a airbrush machine. Now you can use this for multiple purposes. You can use it for makeup, you can use it for painting, really a lot of different uses for it. This is what it is right there. It does come with a little user manual, and then this is everything that's inside of it. You have these tools right here, and they're all numbered, so different types of points and stuff. You have this right here, which is your main, the motor and everything to the device. It has all of these different tools right here for cleaning and all of that. You have your main airbrush device right here. And so what you'll do is you'll take this off, you'll put the product in here, and then you just kind of airbrush it on. I'm actually going to be using it for makeup today. I actually have this Temptude. It's a highlighter. I already did my makeup, but I want to add some highlighter, and that's what this is right here. You have this, you have this, your power cord, and this is the main tube itself. But let's go ahead and get right into this. I'm gonna start off by taking all of this stuff out of its wrappers. You're gonna attach this cord to this right here. Okay, so these little brushes right here are Airbrush Cleaning Set. That's what they look like. You have these little wires right here, which is also to clean it out with. You have this right here, which is your oil water separator. You have your little dropper right here. This is your little capacity cups. You have two different ones depending on how much you actually will need. These right here are your nozzle caps. So you have different sizes, and these are your needles right here. So I have this on. Now you want to connect this onto this right here. So pretty much this is going to push air through. Oh, it already has a nozzle on. So I'm going to leave this one on, but you can switch out your caps. I'm just going to keep this one on and just kind of spray it like that. I want to get some foundation from this brand as well and try that out. Because most of the time, like if you go to a wedding or anything and their makeup looks perfect, it's usually airbrushed on. And me being someone that loves to do my makeup at home, I would love to get all the different things to do that with. So just mix it up very well. And then this kind of drops out naturally. It kind of comes out where you can put drops. So I'm going to start off with, that was 3 drops. And then you kind of just pull back this. I'm going to turn it on, and the power button's right here. So you turn it on, and then you'll kind of just push this back. Okay, that kind of scared me. Okay. Make sure. Just kind of going in a circular motion. Let's try this side. So you can see so it's definitely getting on my skin. Do you see that? I kind of angle it downwards. Do you see that? Put a little bit on my Cupid's bow. The bridge of my nose. And get it on your arch of your brows. So you can see it's definitely working. Look at that highlight. And it looks a lot better than if you just try to put it on, because it's so airbrushed out that it just looks really nice. It looks so much nicer. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna go try and get some more liquidy foundation and see if I can't do my neck with it. Okay, so I have some very liquidy foundation that I'm gonna try. So I'm actually just gonna put some drops of this up in there. I'm not gonna be using it on my face. I'm gonna be using it on my hands since I already do have my makeup on. So as you can see, like you can see where it kind of stops, how flawless that looks. And that's just like a cheaper, like a drugstore brand foundation, but the coverage is insane on there and it just looks so pretty. So you can see it's right there. Definitely have to let it set, but that's so pretty. So yes, I will definitely be using this on my channel. But yeah, that's how it works. Really great. And then to clean it off, you would just undo everything. And then just take all this stuff apart, take these things off, and just clean out the tubing. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.